going on? What's going on? Everything's pretty much all set up. Just about. This intercooler is a lot more thicker than the intercooler that this chick came with that I had bought off this kid. But yeah, start getting ready to take the bumper off, and also take off the header. Just get ready to mock it all up. I gotta drain the coolant out because I'm gonna put the half side radiator on from Layla. I have another one coming, so I'll just replace it with that one. Meantime, Reina gonna be sitting here for a little bit, for a few days until everything is all said and done. Once again, and it's the same side. Same side. I just replaced this axle like not even 4 weeks ago. And look at that already. Man. Sheesh. Took the radiator cap off. Take out the bottom plug, and it drains faster that way. It's, I don't know. I guess it's science. Good, money guy.
It's good.
Yeah. I'll go get the laptop. Okay, so header's off, white band's off, radiator's off. My boy Angel here.
Yep.
About to go. Boom, 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 boom. Ding dong, ding dong. VTech, VTech. Boost, boost, boost. Ping pong, ping pong. Ding dong, ding dong. I hope this shit lines up. I get the fucking holes, cause you know a lot of stuff you get off eBay don't fully
line up.
Yeah. Manifold oil with the turbo, but this definitely needs to be cut. That's for sure. This shit's way too fucking long. This doesn't fit. Need a wider one to even go past the radiator support. I thought this whole shit, like I already knew like the fucking piping and shit would be a problem. Like all the videos I watched, this shit, it you know, is always a problem with doing the piping. But if it was an EG, I'm pretty sure it would have went on perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Clearly I won't be boosted this weekend, but clearly this dump tube needs to be cut because this shit's way too long. Probably cut it exactly like right here. Or just cut it like even like right here, if anything, maybe. But also the piping is like a 2-inch because the actual intake piping is a 2.5. I was this close, y'all. This freaking close. Nice little mock-up, so at least I know exactly what I need. Definitely need to change out this axle. About to do that in a second. Lewis on his way here. Got the bracket and calipers on. It's a RSX caliper bracket, and you can use your stock calipers. But get ready to go to AutoZone and get an axle for like the 3rd time for this side. I don't know what's up with this side at all. This side, I done changed this side 2 times already because of the boot keep ripping. The axle that's on the passenger side been in this swap since the black car. This one been changed out 2 times because the axle boot keeps ripping. I don't know why.
I'll buy a mask if they sell masks in there.
Pretty sure they do.
Yeah. Okay, let's check it out where you need it. It's closer.
On a trip on the favorite rocket ship. O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Yeah. Got a busy day today. Shit. Everything fell into. I can't even open up the damn spray bar lunchbox. What the hell? A company called Superclean reached out to me in the email. Oh wow, definitely what I need right about now. Get this axle grease. Definitely what I need. Wheel cleaner. Wow. The greaser. What's this? The aerosol can. Nice. Floor absorbent. Absorbs oil, coolant, and other liquids. Nice. Nice. You sent the hat. Wow. And a shirt. Nice. I'm about to really see how this stuff work. Definitely need it for this wheel in here. Alright, so I didn't really get the cord cleaning all this grease off, but this stuff works pretty good. I forgot to put gloves on too. This stuff actually really works. They really sent me products at no charge. And it really got the axle grease off nicely. Like, barely any struggle at all. I could just see you chowing down through your side mirror. They ain't burn your food?
No, I did my biscuit hot though.
Your biscuit hot?
It's cold, but my biscuit's hot.
Down pipe is here. Oh, shit. Alright, so let's try this again. Down pipe is here. Go to the passenger side of the turbo. 2.5 inch. Okay. So everything is here. Since none of the piping worked with the damn turbo kit that I bought, gonna go be seeing Mike Martinez at Fully Built Fab and get some fabrication done. All right, now this is what I was afraid of also, the damn map sensors. Because I'm about to put the 4-bar on as well. As you can see, screwdriver isn't really helping much. You use these grip pliers and grip it and turn it. Oh, it's working. Had no O-ring on it at all. Maybe this is why my I was having idle issues. Alright, new O-ring. Right in there. 4-bar. I'll have to reuse these damn screws for the time being. Bro, I'm not even gonna hold you, but that super clean works fucking wonders. It don't even look like there was a axle grease like or ripped boot down here at all. This stuff works well. Like, I done sprayed and cleaned up parts that I didn't really need to, but I appreciate this company reaching out to me in an email to give them a try. So I'll put a link in the description to their site, and you guys get yourself a bundle kit. This stuff works amazing. I love it. Always good to have these type of wrenches. Always. I don't know if you can see it, but always good to have these type of wrenches. Plus, this is a thought this was a Matco one, but it's Craftsman. Next I'm gonna do is drain the oil and get ready to put the sandwich plate on so I can run the oil feed line First I gotta set up the sandwich plate with the fitting. If y'all guys don't have one of these type of oil catch pins, then definitely get one. I have 2 of them so far because it has these adapters up here, and literally it's like literally like a no spill kit, pretty much. And it just goes right on like that. But since I got the car up higher, I may need to make this a little taller, so let me get the other adapter. Perfect height. I just gotta find my damn 17 winch. Got it. Matte coal. Matte coal. Matte coal. No mess. No mas. Buenos dias, motherfuckers. Alright, so I finally got gloves on. Tired of touching things in the house and things start to turn black. Alright, so here's the sandwich plate. I'm guessing these screws are like to block off the other ports that you're not going to use. So I'd rather have mine come in to the left since it's routed to the left, and just sit this on a thread where the oil filter goes, and then you thread this on top, or you thread it on like this, whatever, and then you put the oil filter on this port, well, on this side right here. This is my first time doing this. Don't quote me on none of this shit. Next is to drop the oil pan. Alright, so got the oil pan off. About to go take it to Presto. About to do a side by side with his oil pan on his Integra and drill a hole there, and then all I gotta do is just get it welded. So let's go.
The downpipe line up?
Yeah, downpipe lined up.
Completely?
Yep.
Wow.
Surprisingly.
Wow.
I was surprised too.
Hey, that's cheaper than getting someone to make that shit.
Right?
All you gotta do is connect your exhaust.
Exactly.
This big one will go through this bitch easier.
Pretty sure it will.
Yeah, I don't know. I wanna get that thing. Alright. Can the gun handle it? Oh yeah, it's there. If he wants it bigger, so he can like go from this way, then he just draw that shit out himself.
Alright.
Well, at least he knows where to start.
Yeah.
Now you gotta finally clean that shit out. I don't know how he's gonna do that.
I got a bunch of that super clean stuff that they sent me.
Oh yeah, you do. You
That
can
stuff-
make a video about it now.
I already did. I started. That shit actually works. Like with the, I changed my axle on the driver's side again for the 3rd time. Sprayed it up there and wiped it off. It looked like there was never anything up there, no dirt, no nothing. I cleaned that whole side, even the lower control arm, subframe. I did everything. Yeah.
Well, that's one step closer.
Yes, sir. True race car. True race car. Yeah, this car for like what, 10 years? More than that?
9. It's been 9 now, yeah.
You had it before I even got in the cars. You and JJ were the reason why I got into it. Because JJ kept on saying that my Accord was gay because it was too high, and I didn't know what the fuck he was talking about. And then since then, I was like, yeah, I want to get into this shit. This EV is clean.
Yeah. That was Sonic raffle car.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh,
That was a raffle car. It was a raffle show.
Oh, wow. Raheem won it, or?
Nah. Wilmer wanted it, Ryan bought it.
Oh, okay. That's crazy. I didn't even know that was a raffle show.
Yeah.
See, man, it's super clean, man. It really works. Then take long to get all the oils and grease and stuff off of this. I am so glad that this company reached out to me. I am so glad. I appreciate it a lot. Y'all go and get yourself some super clean. This stuff works. This stuff works really good. I don't know how many times I'm going to keep saying it, but it works amazing. I love it. I'm sold. Once this is welded and the oil pan is back on, then get started on doing Lewis's coilovers and control arm and sway bar link on the driver's side, well, passenger side for him, and then sway bar in the rear with the subframe. It's a lot. This is a tough week. Not a tough week, but it's a busy 2 to 3 days for me. Extremely busy. And then I gotta get ready for my CDL test. And bro, I'm out here looking all types of bummy. Like, I think I unlocked a new level of bumminess. To be 100% honest, a whole new level of bumminess, bro. The oil pan is welded, all set, it's cleaned out. Just gotta do the gasket, and we good to go. This man talking about saving these shits.
Bro,
them shits
these shits are good.
Them shits ding like my dick.
Pause.
Yeah, and he talking about saving them shits.
You can save them. Bro, that's like saving a leftover condom coming. Bro, I think this is start calling that nigga save a part.
Yeah, save a part.
Always trying to save a part. Just throw it away.
That shit's no good. None of that shit's no good, yo. Alright, so the sway bar link is on. One coilover is on.
1 out of fucking 4.
One upper control arm is on. Diablo. Frame line is on. Alright, so I shortened the line. I got confirmation from Presto that it was too long. So shortened it. Got the 45-degree to face towards the block. And this is a much better fitment. So only thing left to do now is put the oil filter on and put oil in it and wait for fabrication. Also, I gotta add it one more time. Super clean. Super clean. There's the oil pan gasket part number right here. Just screenshot it, take a picture of it, whatever, write it down. Also, still have to put in the fuel pump, the 255 boost controller. That's really it. Then fabrication. But that'll be it for this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. If you didn't, let me know what you didn't like. All in all, show your boys some love.